Gentlemen of the press, distinguished...
To present the staff of office and certificates to the incumbent traditional rulers on the various, two various government-recognized stools in 2 LGAs, namely Ikwerre local government. We have His Royal Majesty Eze Marcus Oduma Pro-Wike JP is incumbent to be given the staff of office today as Yenwe Ali, Elele Okanali, and Elele Alimini in Elele Okanali and Elele Alimini Ikwerre local government area. And also His Royal Majesty Ndamze Nsirin Yenwe Ali Rumeme Kingdom in Rumeme clan of the Akpor local government area. So, Your Majesty, these ones, the traditional rulers have been found worthy to be presented with the staff of office and the certificates for the 2 stools that have been recognized in the past. And we are here today to present to them their staff of office and the certificates. I hereby recommend or present them to you to do the needful. Your Excellency, thank you very much.
The invited guest, gentlemen of the press, what we're doing this evening is just a fulfillment of what is already existing. The stool of Onyenwele, Elele, has already been gazetted and is existing. And the process for selection were already done. What we just did here is official government recognition. That of His Royal Majesty Ndamze Nsirim. Fortunately, the stool that you're occupying is also recognized and gazetted by previous administration. And what we are also doing there is, after the process of selection of the new head, it is the duty of government to officially give you a letter of recognition and staff of office. So what we are doing this evening is not a new thing. It is not creating a new stool, but recognizing what is already existing. Bringing you into the council of traditional rulers recognized by government, where you play a major role in supporting good governance and protecting the interests of your people. It's an opportunity that God has created for you. It is not for you to use it to undo your people. In the process of this election, you might have had one issue or the other. People might be against you. But at the end, what is important that you are there now. Carry everybody along. Have a heart of forgiveness. As a king, as a traditional ruler, everybody belongs to you. So work with them. On the part of government, we will give you all the support to make sure that you succeed as a traditional ruler. Let me wish you a successful reign Let your reign be remembered for good. Let your reign be a testimony that at this particular time that you ascend this throne, it's for a purpose. Rule well, and God will be with you. Thank you, and may God bless you.